Big Jim Country Boy here today. We're going to smoke some brisket and some ring bologna. I got the charcoal chimney going. With some chunks of hardwood. Got them started in here. Just simply blow them out. I got 2 pans because I'm going to run 2 smokers today. We got some charcoal started that's going to help keep that going. Oh, you stopped it. So we got the grill loaded up here. 2 short ribs, oddballs that we missed when we cooked the rest. Cooked them tonight with a beef brisket. This beef is fully all grass fed, just so you know. And there's some ring bologna we got when we got our cow butchered. That was mainly grass fed too. It came from the same animal, all grass fed. And then we got some smoke going here. No gas on the barbecue lit. And we're just going to shut this now and smoke it as long as we can today. You can see the smoke rolling out of there now. See the smoke rolling out of there? That's what you want to see. If it goes away, hurry up and check it because it might have caught the wood on fire. You don't want no heat. We want to cold smoke this. We're not going to cook the ring bologna. We're not going to cook the raw beef neither. We're going to cook that later. We'll grill that later and cook it on this grill. But right now we just want to add smoke flavor and tenderize that brisket.